Alright, 3-inch pan, metal roof. We're doing, well, we've already done the soft wash. It was black and organic up here, and of course I didn't take the video. Anyway, so we already soft washed. I got all the organics off, and now we're doing a tune-up. So, and then adding extra screws in the corners, because that's where you get the most lift in storms. Unless it's a bird cage, and then it would be at the highest point. But anyway, we always add some screws in the corners. And somebody had already, they must have had an issue before these owners purchased a home, because somebody, or the company that was installing it, started doing it and then just gave up. But generally, when we install pan metal roofs, we use grommeted roof screws, pan screws obviously, but still we seal them behind it, because what happens is, this right here, over time you get rust, and they rust out, and then it deteriorates the grommets even faster. So what we're doing is replacing rusty screws, of which there are a lot of on this roof, unfortunately. But and then we're gonna seal all of the screws and reseal all the vents. And on the front over here, the original front of the pan that got tore off, whacked it up pretty bad. So we're gonna straighten up these ribs, tighten them back down. Not getting any leaks, so that's what we got. And like I said, unfortunately I didn't get the soft wash in the beginning, and not too much more of the video. I'm not going to seal these screws with OSI and film at the same time, so this will be it. And then coming back with when the screws are sealed, that'll be a wrap. Alright, you're good to go. All the screw lines, all the rusty ones are pulled out, and everything is sealed. Extra screws in the corner. See there. And up and over. This was what I was saying earlier in the video. They had already done this. Extra screws. Just touched up theirs because they didn't do a good job. And everything's resealed. Acrylic patch on the vents. Screws, and it's a wrap. Nice and clean. Stay fresh and clean. Look at that boy. Nice.